What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. So today we've got a little bit of a different video. We're not going to be working on the Eclipse today. Lately I've been putting a lot of work into that car. It's a lot of super monotonous stuff, sanding, bodywork, and all that kind of stuff that, I mean, you guys don't need to see all of it. So today we're going to be doing something fun. Today we're actually going to be working on the Lexus. Alright guys, that is my 2003 Lexus IS300. And as you can tell, the fitment on it, it's fucking whack, especially in the rear. I could fit my entire foot. I could probably fit 2 feet in there. I really fucking tried. It's ridiculous, unacceptable. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be fixing that. Before I actually put these things on, I want to do a little bit of a body roll test to see the effect that the coilovers have on the suspension travel. So I'm going to go ahead and set this down and do some stupid maneuvers in my car. I don't know if you guys can see that from outside the car, but inside the car, it is ridiculous. Alright, let's get these babies on. Before we get too deep into it, I do want to say if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. We got plenty of builds that we have to do. And honestly, the builds are only going to be as crazy as the sub count. While the builds are all pretty mild right now, I have huge plans for every single one of these cars. And I want to be able to bring that into fruition and bring you guys along as I do it. So with that being said, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the like button. It all really helps. And you know, I've been kind of thinking about streaming lately. So let me know if that's something you guys would want to do. I'd think that I'd probably be streaming like Call of Duty or Forza Horizon 4 or something like that, and probably get some lobbies and get some of y'all in there. I think it'd be fun. So let me know what you guys think. I almost forgot to show you what we're actually going to be installing on it. I've got a set of used Maxpeedingrods coils. These are probably like $300 brand new, and these are not brand new. These are I use a little more than I would normally put on my car, but I mean, my car's too fucking high. I need it to be lower. These ones I actually got completely for free from Soda for helping him out with his IS, and he just fucking gave them to me, so I'm like, shit, I mean, I'll take them. And so that's what we're gonna be lowering my IS on today. Yeah, it's not usually my style, but I mean, fuck it, why not, right? My car is way too high as it sits now, and I've got some free coilovers that'll make that problem go away. So let's fucking do it. I love that shit. Seeing those fucking brakes when I pull the wheels off. Now I just need to get some wheels that can actually show them off, because with the stock wheels you can't really see them. If you guys want to see that video, I'll link it up here. So I'm not going to show every step because I feel like there's a lot of videos out there, but you got to get the strut bolt out of the bottom. You got to get the 2 ball joint bolts. Mine are Allen's just because I have the roll center adjusters because of my brakes. And then you got to get the 3 bolts up top. Get those from under the hood, and I think we'll be good. All that we're gonna have to be doing is moving this little resistor, moving the igniter, just to be able to get the top hat nuts off, and then those coils will fall out basically. So this is going to be our new setup. This is going to be taking place of that original strut. Hopefully I've got this adjusted somewhat correctly, but I pretty much have about 4 to 5 mils preload on the spring and that is completely bottomed out right now. I'm probably gonna have to lift that up because I'm running roll center adjusters. So I think it's probably gonna rub on the fender like this. But let's try putting them on and see what it looks like. Alright, so as far as the rears go, to get the strut out, it's this bottom strut bolt, of course. I'm going to be taking off that bolt for the sway bar and that inner bolt. The reason that I don't take this one out is because that's actually an eccentric for the camber, and I'd rather not mess with that until I have to do an alignment for it. So if I loosen that one and take that one out, then I don't have to worry about my camber being all fucked up. I'm gonna have to pull all the stuff up top in the trunk to be able to get to the top bolts, and the strut will be able to come out. All right, so I've got all of the rear end stuff out to get full access to the strut tops. So now I can get all of those nuts off and get the top mounts out. Then I'll start working on the bottom. So in the middle of doing this shit, guess who showed up?
What's up, guys?
Fucking Bobby. And he brought the goods. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, baby. I'm gonna eat the shit out of that. So the coils are on. I don't think it's gonna be low enough. You see the wheel gap? That's with perfect preload and the coilover all the way sucked in to its max low setting. I don't think it's gonna be low enough. I'm not trying to be dirt nasty low, but I'm trying to be a little low. Kind of nasty low. So let's fucking see. Unless these things are soft as fuck. As soft as my wiener on fucking Thanksgiving.
Dude, it's so fucking high.
That's a monster truck still. God damn it. Alright, now, as opposed to the rear, which is still a monster truck, I think the front's gonna be way too fucking low. What do you think, Bobby?
Yeah, it's gonna be low.
I suppose there's nothing to it but to do it. Let's fucking go. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yeah, it's low as shit.
So glad that damn tractor bumper.
Dude, it's a $60 eBay lift. Yeah.
Oh. Still.
Yeah. It's sad that just like a little bit of cardio gets me fucking panting. I gotta lose some fucking weight.
Brisket probably didn't help.
Yeah, no, definitely not. A little heavy for sure. I don't want to adjust these. I'll come back when the car is actually a respectable ride height all around. All right, second try. See if this shit works.
Ooh.
Probably a little too low. But we'll roll with it. Well, we all know what I couldn't do in my car. Luckily, there won't be much of that going on. That's probably a bit too low. Definitely a bit too low. But let's work on the back. What does it look like?
A lot better.
That's respectable. That's respectable. Maybe get a few fat bitches in here. Come on.
Oh. That all the way down.
Hey! Okay. I think that fitment is respectable. That fitment, slightly less respectable. However, the front is dirt nasty low. If I can get the front to match this guy right here, I'll be golden. So I'm gonna do a little more work, I'm fucking dying, but let's get this done. So I think we're gonna drive it just to see how much. I know it's gonna fucking rub. I know it's gonna rub, but we'll see how bad it is.
They're so soft,
dude. That's so fucking bad. So under hard acceleration, they don't do anything, but then when you brake. Oh, that's bad. Oh shit.
What?
Dude, the rear settled like fuck. Okay, that side's still. Dude, look at this side, dude.
Oh fuck.
That's dirt nasty low. Alright, so I might have to raise this side a little baby bit. Definitely gonna have to raise the front a little baby bit. I've never scraped lip on flat ground before, dude. That's actually a cool thing to fucking be able to say I did. I don't want to do it ever again. But like, dude, that's so bad. See, like, it wouldn't be that bad if I had wheels that like fit, but I definitely don't. So yeah, I gotta figure that out. Alright boys, it took way too fucking long. How long has it been?
Like 4 hours?
Multiple hours, alright? This shit sucks. Don't ever fucking do it. Buy real coilovers because these cheap ones are garbage. I couldn't adjust the fronts on the car at all because the fucking way they're designed, they don't have like the pillow balls on top like normal coilovers do. So you can't twist the whole shock body in. You have to literally unbolt the bottom, which means you have to unbolt the sway bar and fucking drop the whole it's bullshit. So just get real fucking parts. But we're gonna drive this thing. Hopefully it doesn't rub now. I left a pretty reasonable gap. It's probably like an inch, you know. Nothing too crazy. Like I'm not gonna fucking. See, my shoe still doesn't fit, so it's respectable. Yeah, we're good. It's
still gonna rub.
It passes the shoe test. Hopefully I don't rub. Don't say that, Bobby.
You're gonna rub.
If I have to fucking lift this car in the air one more time, I swear to God, I'm selling it to Pig and Pull. Yeah, like you gotta hit some fucking fat bumps to get it to fucking rub. It's not the best, but it's not bad. Oh my God. This thing's bouncy as balls, dude. This thing's so fucking bouncy. Oh, fuck. I'm not mad about that fitment. That's a fucking nice daily fitment.
Good. It's good.
That's a fucking respectable fitment.
It's not bad.
It feels better. I'm not gonna lie.
It's just super soft in the rear.
Yeah. But honestly, I'm happy about it. You know? I'm not dumped. I'm not dumped by any stretch of the word. But she looks good. She looks better than she did before. I don't know. I'm stoked about it. I do wish that had like real coils on it. But you know, that'll come with time. These will get me looking at least respectable for now. I'm stoked about it. There's a few more things that I ordered for this thing that are coming in pretty soon, so if you guys are stoked to see that, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I got a lot more content coming out for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.